Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Dual Sport here, and I've been trying to get this Ninja put together for my buddy, and not having a lot of luck with that. Ended up we need to order a couple valves, so we're waiting for those to come in the mail. And in the meantime, I'm gonna run over to Sears because they're supposed to have a valve removal and installation tool. So I'm going to go see if they still have it and check it out. Anything to make the job easier. Looks like a good spot to me. Alright, so let's go in Sears and see if we got this tool.